Hi students, today we shall be doing worksheet number 4 of PB of topic narration. In this worksheet we have been given with interrogative types of sentences and we follow different types of rules when we change them from direct to indirect speech. Let's learn what are the rules. Question mark is removed and the interrogative form is changed into assertive form. Means question statements are changed into simple statements. Then comma is removed. Comma that we place right after reporting verb is removed in direct speech. Then no conjunction is used if the sentence begins with a question word. Means if our reported speech is beginning with question words like which, who, whom, whose, why, where, how, what or any other question word, if it is given, we do not use word if or whether. And word if or whether is only used as a conjunction if the sentence is a yes no question. Otherwise we write same question word. We do not change it. It remains as it is. Then next is said to is changed into asked, questioned, inquired, demanded. And in assertive sentences, in the worksheet, in the earlier one worksheet, when we changed assertive sentences, we converted said to into told. In assertive sentences, it happens, but when it is interrogative sentence, we write instead of said to asked, questioned, inquired, demanded, or any other question word according to the type of sentence. Then change in tenses and pronouns or the words which express time and place. They are changed as per the rules as we have done in the assertive types of sentences. They are not changed. Right. Now let's do our worksheet. This is our worksheet number 4. Here we are supposed to change the interrogative sentences from direct to indirect. So here some examples. Let's discuss them. The teacher asked, have you understood the question? So here interrogative mark is given. It is an indicator that our sentence is an interrogative. So how to change? The teacher asked. Here asked reporting verb is already given, so no need to change. If it is given said to, then we change into asked. If it is given asked already, then no need to change it. Next, it is have you understood? So there is no question word, so we'll be changing and writing if before as a conjunction, right? So if, and here where is our subject? This you. And the teacher asked, whom she is asking? Us people. Maybe she is asking to one child, so let us assume as a one child. So here I instead of you, I. And one thing I want to make clear that verb, helping verb always come before after the subject. Means first we write our subject and then we write our verb. Here it is, if we wrote, here no question word is given, then after if, subject I, then have understood. This is present perfect tense. So present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. So instead of have, had and understood the question. The teacher asked if I had understood the question. Next is Ritu said to Rohit, how will you complete the assignment in 2 days? Ritu asked. So said to gets changed into asked. Then Rohit, how? This is our question word. Our reported speech is beginning with question word. So no change in the question word. It remains as it is. How? Then subject. This you. So she is talking to Rohit and you. Whenever you is there in our reported speech, we change the pronoun according to the object of the reporting speech. So here he for Rohit, how he, then will into would, how he would complete the assignment in 2 days. The rest will be same. Next is the child asked mother, why don't the stars in the sky fall down? Here the child asked, it is given already. It may be question. We may write here question. The child questioned mother, right? The child questioned mother or asked mother why. It is a question word, so it will be as it is. Why? Then here, where is our subject? The stars in the sky. Why the stars in the sky? Then here, don't. This is present tense. Change into past. Didn't fall. And with did always use first form of the verb, didn't fall down, right? The child asked mother why the stars in the sky didn't fall down. Next is Namita said to Aruna, which of the two saris is better? Here said to into asked. Namita asked Aruna, which of the two saris? So here change into past, was better. Next, can you teach me French? Said Tisha to Suman. So here reporting speech comes before the reported speech. So first reporting speech, Tisha change into, said into asked. Tisha asked Suman if she could. Right? If there is no question word. So if, then very subject. So for a girl. So if she, can into could. And with modal, we write first form of the verb. So if she could teach, change the pronoun me into her. If she could teach her French, right? So half of the worksheet we have completed, and next part of the worksheet we will be doing in the next video. Thank you, students.